Hello everyone. I am Mannat Kaur Sethi, the student of Confidence Bay who has been taking Trinity exams for almost 2 years. So many friends of mine ask me what Trinity exams are, how they are taken, how to prepare for them, and many more questions. So I decided to put forward my views. Trinity College of London is a charitable organization which has conducted these exams since 1872 over 60 countries worldwide. More than 8 lakh students appear every year for these exams. Like in India, we have the CBSE board, ICSE board, IG board, state board. Similarly, in London, they have a Trinity board that conducts a library of exams based on different skills. In today's evolving world, it is very important to communicate well and enhance ourselves with performance skills. Their curriculum is designed to bring out our own choices and interest in learning, engagement, and achievement. It gives the lifetime certificates which is valid at academic as well as professional levels. Confidence Bay Fraternity College London examination aims at providing a holistic education experience that fosters critical thinking, problem solving, and personal growth. Confidence Bay coaches the students for a combination of exams which brings out the very best in them. Like for language communication, impromptu speaking, and presence of mind, graded examination in spoken English, exams are designed. For the skill of voice modulation and expression, speech in drama exams, and for presentation skills, communication skills exams are designed. Apart from these, Trinity has various other exams for various other art forms. Graded exams in spoken English is designed to assess English language proficiency, oral communication skills, gain proficiency in English language, listening and speaking skills across real life contexts, comprehension and effective communication. GESE has 12 progressive level exams, starting from beginner, grade 1, to full mastery at grade 12. It has 1-to-1 and oral assessment, which ranges from minimum 8 to maximum 25, where examiner passes on information, shares ideas and opinions, and debates on important topic and issues. Speech and drama exams offer comprehensive framework for assessing students' proficiency in performing arts, voice modulation, acting technique, stage presentation, and dramatic interpretation. The communication skills exam focuses on public speaking, debate, conversation, storytelling, and effective verbal and non-verbal communication. Speech and drama and communication skills exams has initial plus 8 levels. Grades 6 to 8 are considered as advanced level and are eligible for the UCAS points for those applying to colleges and universities. It is usually for 8 to 25 minutes where one must perform an act, recite a poem, and engage into a conversation. And it is not at all necessary to appear for every consecutive level in any of the exams. One can always skip the levels and appear for the upgraded version. With Confidence Bay, it allows us to give a combination of exams every term. It becomes effective for us to perform the tasks and understand the topics. Confidence Bay has a combination of short and long related courses which helps to bring out the best version of ourselves. Let's smarten up, let's do it. Let's join Confidence Bay. Thank you.